Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin into your Motorola Moto G60S. First step, need find and open your settings. Then need find security option, this one. And on the bottom we got SIM card lock blocking option. So if you get two cards, you can choose this. I've got only one card, so click it. And click here lock SIM card on the switcher to lock. Click OK, and now need enter pin for lock SIM card. So for example 1, 2, 3, 4 and click OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.